Hey guys, okay, so I just finished, as you saw, making that barbecue seasoning, and that's not my recipe. That's a Neely's family recipe. They were a famous family for barbecue, and I believe they're out of Tennessee, and they had a show on the Food Network years ago, but it's been canceled for a long time now. But Evelyn loved that seasoning so much that she would just, eat it by itself. And she's been bugging me to make it for like the past year now. And so I finally made the seasoning, and I didn't tell her I was making it, but I'm gonna have her come in, do a little taste test for me and see if she still likes it as much as she used to like it. So I'm gonna call her out and have her come on down and try it out. Hey Evelyn.
Hi.
I got something I want you to try.
What?
So you remember how you've been bugging me to make that seasoning?
Yeah.
I made it.
Really?
Yeah. Do you want to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to see if it tastes as good as you remember it tasting.
It smells the same.
Smells the same.
Yeah.
You remember the smell.
Mm-hmm.
Don't use your finger.
Well,
I need that. Get like a spoon or something, girl. You took a whole spoonful? Oh my gosh.
No.
Well, a part of a spoonful. Half, I guess. What do you think? How's it taste? Do you want more?
Can we use a little more sugar?
It needs a little more. It needs a little more sugar. But I put so much sugar.
Yeah, but you also put a lot of like red seasoning in it.
Yeah. So I think your taste buds just changed
No.
because it has a ton of sugar, by the way.
What? No, it doesn't.
It
I see
does.
a lot of red and white, but it don't.
The sugar is brown sugar. It's not
I
white.
don't see no brownish. Yeah.
Well, it blends quite well now, doesn't it? Well, thanks for trying it, and you're welcome.
Thank you.
I hope you're happy now.